transferred you, and also the benefits that we have, and also the differences that we have seen while you are in the prisons.
Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon to Mr. Bob Keita, Chairman of the Bob Keita Foundation. Afternoon, Commissioner of Operations, Gambia Prison Department. Good afternoon, Commissioner Uncle Musa. Afternoon, Commissioner of Finance. And then the officer in charge of the Prisons Riot Squad, Mr. Ibrahim Sise. And then the senior prison authorities as well. My name is Bashiru Sane. Yes, I am here today witnessing a discharge ceremony from the benevolent of the Bob Keita Foundation here today. We are thanking you very much on behalf of my free inmates here today. What I want to say here is I'm also thanking the Prisons Department also for making this day possible, because without their help and opening their doors, this could have not been a reality. We are also thanking them. And I'm also very happy and to clear this doubt also that the Prisons Department is a very reformed department, definitely. With all, before coming here, what I was hearing, and I know this is still in the mind of others, because without experience, you cannot know what exactly is what. Before, how I was hearing the prisons and what I have witnessed here, I was here also hearing other rumors is what we are going on, but I have lived it and witnessed it. I'm speaking through experience. I also thank God also for coming here, because of what I have learned here. The prison is a rehabilitation center, and I have rehabilitated. Definitely, I have rehabilitated. To manifest to that is there are a lot of skills, ongoing programs at the prisons, which I myself, I am a graduate. I have learned IT here, and I've also did satellite installation here. I've graduated, I've had my diploma. Here is my certificate. Wow. I think this is a testament. I've graduated here. It's a plus. I was working outside. I was very responsible outside, definitely. But here, anybody can come here. Because here, what we are witnessing here, Bob Keita, who is here also paying our fines here, was even here. And most of these past visitors have been here. It's part of destiny, as the operations has said. Anybody can be here. So being here doesn't mean that you are bad. But also, being a youth also, there is a lot of tax ahead. Because of being responsible, I was working as a call center operator with QCell. My mom passed away. When my mom passed away, I was having 3 compounds, I can say. People are seeing me. I'm talking on media, I know. But being a young person with no advice of selling compounds, enjoying going to Dakar, doing all sorts of things, enjoying, and now here, all those friends that I was enjoying my money with, few are coming here to see me. So that also, I have learned a lot here. I have learned a lot which I cannot even speak here. I have learned a lot here. So this prison authorities also, whatever we lack here in this prison, the prison officers will stand and make sure that you get that. Because of they are our family here. Nobody, we don't have leg to go to the shop. We don't have leg to beg outside. So the only people we are here and the family we have here are the officers. So anybody, wherever you are, it depends on you, who you are. People are here, they are enjoying their dignity. Nobody has ever said any bad thing to them. It's because of who they are. But you cannot be here and these prison officers are custodians, looking after you. Next minute you want to stand or challenge them, they will see themselves. And even our parents outside, you will see somebody who is challenging the parent outside. So talk less of coming here, then you will challenge the officers. So the rehabilitation is us. It should start from us. We accept what God has did. So sometimes also we have to accept. You understand? And I'm also thanking a lot. I'm thanking this Bob Keita Foundation. I'm thanking also the prison authorities, and then with the leadership of the Director General. Because if we have witnessed here, most of these youth parliaments coming here, sensitizing inmates, you know, how to call it, this being human rights coming here. Before, nobody was ever thinking of human rights to come to the prisons and sensitize inmates. But today we are witnessing all those things. It's because of who? They did not just jump and come to the prisons. It's because of the prison authorities. So we are also thanking them for that. And please, we pray for this foundation, for God to shower abundant blessings to this foundation, so that our fellow inmates who are also in can be discharged through this way or from pardon as well. Thank you.